नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself, JVN Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about homeopathic therapeutics of diseases of breast. So today we are going to discuss about fibroadenoma of breast and its homeopathic therapeutics. So our first choice of medicine is Calcarea flower. Calcarea flower can be used for stony hardness of breast, that is for stony hard fibroadenomas of the breast. Calcarea flower is the best homeopathic medicine for treating fibroadenoma of the breast where the nodes are as hard as stone. Calcarea flower has a strong tendency to dissolve these hard knots in the breast. With the use of homeopathic medicine Calcarea flower, these breast adenomas or fibroadenomas get smaller and the hard lumps get softened, followed by complete disappearance of the stony hard fibroadenomas. Next choice of medicine is Conium mac. It is used in cases of painful tumors of mammary gland. Conium is of great help in treating glandular affections. Conium can be used with excellent results to treat tumors in mammary gland due to external injury. Actually, it can be used in injury of any gland. Conium is preferred in cases where nodes in the breast are present with pain in the breast before and during menstruation or periods. The pain usually gets worse upon touching. Homeopathic medicine Conium helps in treating both the cyclic appearance of breast pain around the menstrual niches and also the diminution of breast nodes. Next choice of medicine is Phytolacca decandra. It is useful in painful fibroadenoma of the breast. When Phytolacca can be very beneficial for the treatment of fibroadenoma of the breast when inflammation of breast is associated with it. The breast is extremely sensitive, hard and painful. The glands in armpit may also get enlarged. Phytolacca provides a great helping hand in reducing the inflammation and pain in breast initially, followed by the complete disappearance of the hardness. Our next medicine is Graphitis. It can be used in fibroadenoma of breast which is caused by scars and abscesses. Graphitis is of great help in treating fibroadenoma in the breast. Graphitis is the best pick for treating tumor in the breast that arise from some old scars in the breast. Old scars may have remained after healing of abscess in the breast. Graphitis work very efficiently in the dissipation of these tumors. The tumor as well as the scars disappear with the homeopathic remedy Graphitis. So next medicine is Scrophularia nodosa. Scrophularia nodosa is a rare but very significant homeopathic medicine that can be used for dissolving the tumors, lumps, nodes or induration in breast. This medicine is mainly used in tincture form. Scrophularia nodosa is an extremely powerful homeopathic medicine to dissolve and get rid of breast tumors. This homeopathic medicine is absolutely safe with no side effects. Next our medicine is Pulsatilla nigricans. This is used for breast nodes with pus around menstrual irregularities. Pulsatilla can be prescribed when nodes in breast are accompanied by menstrual irregularities. The main menstrual irregularity noticed is suppressed menses for a long duration or scanty menses. Pulsatilla is of much help for girls at puberty suffering from lumps of nodes in breast. So that's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.